We're into August, and guess what? There's an abundance of basil in the garden. That's okay, because basil is one of my favorite herbs. The aroma of fresh basil always brings joy and happiness. No wonder they say it's ideal for treating depression. Plus, it makes all kinds of food taste great. And this basil-infused olive oil that I'm about to show you how to make is the perfect way to apply it to all your favorite dishes. Cut fresh from the garden, I bring it right into my kitchen. Wow, look at that pile. That's what I'm talking about. I pick the basil when it's lush and green, right when it's just about to flower, and sometimes it even has little buds in it. I proceed to remove the best, most pungent flowers and the tops. When I've saved everything I'll use for the oil, I carefully remove the rest of the leaves from the stems for drying. I found that it dries better without the stems, preserving the aromatic oils better. The dried basil I can use throughout the year in other sauces, so I spread them out on a large pan and stick them up in the rafters to dry. We're finished with these for now. Now comes my favorite part, dicing the basil into small pieces. Let the chopping begin. Okay, so I'm going to repurpose some empty barbecue sauce bottles for this project. These will look nice if I can get the old label off. So the bottles are stuffed with chopped basil. We want to fill them as much as we can and tap them down tight, not to press the herb into the bottle. Then I proceed to pour some extra virgin olive oil over the packed herbs, pouring slowly so it fills from the bottom. We want to make sure that the bottles are completely filled and there are not air bubbles. For that purpose, I use one of my most handy tools in the kitchen, the chopstick. Great tool for getting into hard to reach spots, mixing and stirring. Then I top them off. Give them a stir. Replace the caps. Wipe the bottles clean and set them aside for as long as I can, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, shaking the bottles every once in a while. Since we have to wait for the outcome, I'll have to make another video and put the link down in the description. I hope you're as excited as I am to see how this oil comes out.